Here's a certified 2025 Mercedes-Benz GLC. Corners are traded in for curves. The GLC has emerged with a C-Class inspired cabin and sophistication and a taste for the wild. And it comes with all the amenities you need: automatic transmission, 4-wheel drive, streaming audio, Wi-Fi hotspot, dual zone climate control, auto-dimming rearview mirror, external memory control, memory exterior door mirror settings, voice-activated climate controls, front and rear parking sensors, and intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Mercedes-Benz, an elevation of innovation. They say a journey begins with one step. In this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Call us at 425-673-0505, online at mblynnwood.com, or stop in and visit at 17800 Highway 99,